Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the radiator fan relay and radiator fan fuse are located on this 2010 Chrysler Town and Country. This will be the same as the Dodge Grand Caravan. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? It really helps out a lot. So the first thing you need to do is pop your hood. Right here is our under the hood fuse box. So we're going to push in on these two tabs and lift the lid. And our radiator fan relay is this relay right here. And our radiator fan fuse is this 60 amp box fuse right here. I will have fuses linked down in the description below on Amazon where you can get a 60 amp fuse. And if I can find this relay, I will have that linked down in the description as well. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.